Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2006 Harley-Davidson ELECTRA Glide Ultra Classic. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2006 Harley-Davidson ELECTRA Glide Ultra Classic with 41,691 miles runs well. It comes equipped with cruise control and a multifunction 4-speaker audio system. It's been upgraded with a ROADSMITH TRIKE kit, a trailer hitch, a rear bumper, rider and passenger floorboards, a brake pedal, timing cover, primary cover, a fuel door cover, axle caps, a windshield and windshield trim, windshield pouches, smoke turn signals, passing lamp visors, smoke fender lamps, upper fairing wind deflectors, mirrors, mud flaps, front fender trim, engine heat shields, grips, a rider backrest, shifter pegs, speaker trim, a luggage rack, a transmission cover, aftermarket mufflers, heel guards, and a custom mural on the front fairing. Powered by an 88 cubic inch V-twin engine, the ELECTRA Glide puts 67 horsepower and 86 foot-pounds of torque through a 5-speed transmission. With a 5-gallon fuel capacity, the ELECTRA Glide has a 190 to 215 mile range. It has a 27-inch seat height and in stock form an 896-pound wet weight. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this trike's charging output at 14 volts, the front tire at 730 seconds, and both rear tires are at 930 seconds. We took this trike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. Our technician noted that the shift shaft seal is seeping oil. There's an oil seep at the primary and the left shock, and the Torpack lid has rope for a tether, but works well otherwise. Additionally, there are fairing and bodywork vibrations that are common with trike kits. This trike also has a rear tire mounted on the front of the bike with the direction of the rotation set backwards. This is common for trike owners to get a higher capacity tire in the front. We've posted the service repair order for this trike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this trike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There's tearing and adhesion blemishes on the backrest material, and a paint blemish on the trunk. This trike has an owner's manual, 4 keys and 1 fob, a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This trike is being sold wholesale as is. It received a safety inspection, documentation about its condition, and a detail. It is being sold without a warranty. For additional program details, please review the full program and warranty section in the listing. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades.
At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.